When you take massive action, it will not work right away. Sa umpisa, hindi talaga gagana. That's why you have to build repetition. You have to build skills. You have to be consistent and build momentum to make it work and create results. Pero pag nagsisimula ka pa lang, nasaktan ka, nahirapan ka, napagod ka ng konti, na-reject ka, nag-fail ka, you will be stressed. Masakit talaga siya. Even if you have clarity, even if you know exactly what you want, initially, masasaktan ka talaga at nakadepende yan sa emotional health mo. Kung gaano ka katatag, kung gaano katibay ang dibdib mo. And the problem is, when you operate from stress, you will attract chaos. Magkakagulo na naman. So pag hindi okay yung emotions mo, apektado na naman yung utak mo, wala ka na namang clarity, kalat na naman yung decisions mo. That is why you have to learn how to manage your state. You have to have emotional mastery.